Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade using lemon juice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure to have some ice and your favorite garnishes, like lemon slices or mint, on hand for serving. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing drink. Next, let's create a simple syrup to ensure your lemonade is perfectly sweet without any grainy texture. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down before proceeding. Now it's time to bring everything together for your delicious lemonade. Take a large pitcher and pour in your 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then, add the cooled simple syrup you just prepared. Finally, stir in the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good mix, and then taste it to see if it's just right for your preference. Your homemade lemonade is now ready to be enjoyed. To serve, fill your favorite glasses with plenty of ice. Carefully pour the refreshing lemonade over the ice. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. This bright and tangy drink is perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.